Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI 14T and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, we need to open our Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we tap on our Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember. To manage it, click on it, but we need have our look screen to manage it. I must set it fast. Confirm we got it. We set something like this, and after that we enter our look screen and we get connected to our password. In this part we can edit it, copy it and something like that. To edit, please tap on edit and we can edit our username and passwords. But remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete this password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.